you're someone who is looking to get placed into an organization or get placed into a company, then this video is something which is tailor made for you. Because if you follow the traditional way of applying to jobs and depending on campus placement, sorry, it might not be that easy as how it is so far. So you need to change the mindset of preparation, and this video will help you to do that. The first step that you should do in order to get placed into an organization is knowing what you are good at. Gone were the days where if you're just good at communication, you will be hired by any of the service based company in the country. Even if you can see, there were many companies like Infosys which stopped hiring graduates from college this year, and it might continue with many other companies as well in the coming year. So you should be well versed with whatever you're good at. To know that, you should explore multiple skills and technologies so that you will get to know what is something that you are good at. See, if you are someone who is studying, then ultimately you have ample amount of time till your final year to realize where you are actually good at and what is that skill that you are confident about. That is very essential and first step in this placement cheat sheet process. So you should be clear about what you are good at. It might be design, it might be programming, it might be editing, it might be management consulting, whatever it might be. Try to find out that one thing that you believe you're good at least for job purpose. You might be good at many other things, you might be good at 2 to 3 different skills, but to do a job you only need one thing, and that is something that you should be well versed with and confident about. This is the first step that you should do. And second step is build a good LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is very essential these days because everything is going to happen at LinkedIn in the coming years. Companies will start hiring you from LinkedIn. Brands will write to you directly. It provide you internship opportunities if your profile is good and if you're doing some good work. Having a good LinkedIn profile, an active LinkedIn profile, is very essential, and that is going to be the second step. Number 3 in the list is have a good resume and portfolio. Both are important. Resume is something that will tell recruiters that what you are actually in single glance. So make it only 1 page resume. I already made a video about resume, and even like if you want to prepare a good LinkedIn profile and some career hacks, there is an ebook link which I have attached in the description. You can check it out. Even for LinkedIn and for resume building or freelancing, whatever it might be, it will help you. And again, apart from the resume, portfolio is something that is also important. See, portfolio is simply like the place where you store your work. If you are a programmer, GitHub is your portfolio. If you are a designer, Instagram page or Google Drive might be your place to store all this stuff. So it is important to always have your portfolio and resume handy. And number 4 in the list is reach out to recruiters via cold emailing or cold messaging. Cold messaging is a very underrated skill. It will help you to talk to recruiters directly. If you find a job posting on LinkedIn, just find out who posted that job and send a connection request and send a message followed by. And also follow up with whatever you wrote in the earlier mail. Let's suppose you wrote to a person who posted a job opportunity for web development intern. You write something like I'm so and so and I'm good at this is my portfolio. And if you write a cold message is all about just messaging and telling about yourself to the recruiter. And if he or she didn't reply to you in 1 week or 2 weeks, try to follow up after 2 weeks that I have sent you a message about my portfolio and thing. If the position is still open, please consider me, kind of thing. If you do that, if you cultivate the habit of that, then ultimately if you do that for 3 to 4 people, at least 1 or 2 will reply and you will get your opportunity easily. So it is also essential to write cold emails to get into a job. Number 5 in the list is apply in all job portals irrespective of whether your campus or if your college tells you or not. This is the traditional method, again applying in everywhere. Like make your profile registered in all the top job portals like Naukri and LinkedIn. Actively search for opportunities by uploading your resume and make sure your resume is up to the date so that whenever companies have openings, you will get an opportunity. So make sure your profile is up to date in all the job portals that you have registered. It is also very essential these days. So these are the 5 steps. These are the 5 steps in a cheat sheet that you should definitely follow. Get placed in a company in the coming years. Placements are not going to be the same as how you are aware of placements till 2023. Everything is going to get changed because of the technology, because of the layoffs, because of the economic situations around the world. The entire hiring process might change. So people with multiple skills will be preferred. People with clarity on whatever they do will get preferred. People with good exposure on social media or internet about their skills will be preferred. So that is the reason why I stretched about LinkedIn. Make sure you have an active LinkedIn profile. Everything should be updated. Make sure you change your profile, you update your profile every week or every month, and contribute to other people's posts. Write about your experiences or learnings. It's going to make a lot of difference if you follow these steps. I hope this is helpful, and please share this video with someone whom you feel will get enough value from this video. Thank you for watching, and if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thank you.